Good day, sir, madam. I'm Elvi Domingo. I'm married. I have one daughter. My experience working in Lebanon. My duties and responsibilities is cooking, mopping the floor, ironing, washing, and mopping the floor.
Good day, Miss LB. How are you today?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristic of a good domestic helper?
Being honest, loyal, and hardworking, sir, madam.
Can you tell us the proper way in taking care of the children?
I give them food every day with vitamins and take a bath, sir, madam.
So what if you commit mistake to your employer, what will you do?
I'm telling sir, madam, I'm sorry. I promise I cannot do it again.
So what is your last message to your future employer?
Sir, madam, please do hire me. I promise I'm finished my 2 years contract.
Okay, thank you, Miss LB. Hope to see you soon in abroad.
Thank you, sir, madam.